So I'm pretty pumped about the updates that just got published for Templates Manager. This one has some really great features added to it for our subscribers. So if you go over to the Templates Manager webpage on our website, just go ahead and click on Start Organizing Your Templates. It'll take you over to the downloads. Make sure you do download the latest 2.4.5. If there's a newer one, then grab that when you're seeing this video. The auto updater in 2.4.4 unfortunately is not working correctly. There was a permissions issue on some machines, so just make sure you come here to get your update. So I just want to show you here real quick inside of Templates Manager. So as always, you can sync all of your things down. This is for everybody. And this is all of your templates. We've got a workflow inside of here, so you can create personalizations of these on a per customer basis, so that each of your clients will then show up under client edits. But for our subscribers, we've got something really cool actually we've added in, which is client selection. So this is now tied into our online widget that embeds in your website, or can be shown through a unique URL. And this will pull down all of them. You can sync through here, click through, see what you got. Giving you a preview of what the design was selected. You've got all the information that your client has entered for you. And then you can create your client edits from here. So if it is already in your library, Templates Manager is going to tell you this. If it is not in your library, it's going to also tell you this and allow you to just go over and get that quickly from within the app. Then you have to leave, just log in, do your checkout there, and then it will become part of your library. And once that happens, you'll be able to go in and do quick flows. I'm going to create my client edit. It's going to actually associate it with the selection, which also allows me when I come back to my client edits, I can filter by that. And these are the two client edit selections that I actually have created some client edits for. One of them I just have a print, and these are samples. And then another one I've actually tied in a print plus screens and buttons. From here, we've got our normal OpenPSD. So if I do that, I don't have Photoshop warmed up, so it might take a second here, but click that. It's going to open up the Photoshop file for you. And then you can just edit right inside of there, save your files out within there. And there's my Photoshop, so you can see it opened it up. I can export my files from there as a zip file. We are going to add some more functionality there, so watch out for that. I can go see what my different fonts are on the website that I'm using, or on the template. So everything is built in here, so you can stay in one place, not have to manage a bunch of different folders and stuff. Whenever you're done with it, just click the delete and it will go away from your library. If you need to do it again, you can create it again. Again, this is the latest feature. The biggest one is client edits, quick edits over here. Another thing that I wanted to show, you can also quickly search, because some of you have large libraries of client selections. So yeah, you can go in here and quickly filter that down so that you're looking for only the client you're looking that you want to work with at that time. And we also have quick edits down below. This is the same three layouts that were here. Those are also being displayed down below here. Got all my same functionalities here, my edits, my OpenPSDs. So there, I open my screen up. Let me go ahead and get my buttons also. And then here comes in my button set. So everything in one place. We'll keep adding features. If you've got features you'd like to see added in, reach out to me. Shoot me a DM on Facebook. Submit a support ticket, and we'll get that into the roadmap for the app. I'm happy to have it back finally. In 2026, we're going to do a lot of cool stuff with it. I've got some pretty cool stuff planned for it. So thanks for checking it out. Make sure you do download it. It's going to make overall managing your templates library a whole lot easier.